Hi, this is my very first oscilloscope. It was stored in my basement for almost 10 years, and after all this time I decided to power it on and see if it is still working fine. As not exactly as expected, it blew up. A lot of smoke came from the back of it, and now I will try to understand what's going on and why he decided to blow up. To open it, we have to lose this big screw and also this one. Then the back cover should come out like that. The smoke was coming basically from the transformer side. A lot of smell is coming out of it, but I think the transformer itself is actually good, and this can be also powered by an external supply with 22-27 volt DC. Oh, nice. So if something is going wrong, went wrong in this area, we can bypass it to see if the problem is actually in the transformer or not. I don't think so, but we will see. So I will remove this panel and we'll see what is in there. Let me take a proper screwdriver. Much better. I lost the washer. Got this one. And this. Whoa! I think we found the culprit. Now I'll show you a close-up of it. So, I don't know if you can see it, but this is the cause of our problem. This is a well-known issue with this type of capacitor. This is a RIFA brand capacitor. It was explained in several places all around the internet, and also Dave Jones did a nice video about it. I think it is the 1183, so watch it if you want to understand more. But we'll have just to replace this capacitor and we should be good to go. We'll see. But before replacing it, let me show you a close-up of the damage that this capacitor sustained. First of all, I will remove this washer that I lost before, and this is the money shot. So as you can see, this is a RIFA branded capacitor, totally destroyed. This is a well-known issue, but basically over time, as soon as this kind of plastic will age, also in a storage location, not necessary when the unit is working, it will basically dries out, cracks, and the capacitors inside will be totally damaged. Okay, let me change it. To remove it, I will not bother to desolder it properly. I will just cut his leg as close as possible to the body. So I will use his legs to attach the new capacitor in place. This is a better view of the damage. As you can see, it's completely cracked. I think the magic smoke has came from here, as Dave should say. It is a 250 volt capacitor, X2 type, so it should be from live and neutral, yeah. And we will replace with one of the same category. This is just for filtering purpose. We could even remove it, but we will be safe and we'll replace it with a X2 one. Actually, I wasn't able to find a X2 capacitor, but I found this X1 capacitor that should be even better. Slightly bigger, but should be fine. Let me place it. Much better. Here we go. Let's see if it works after all these years. On. Okay, no smoke, no nothing, no traces. Come on. Warm up, warm up, warm up. Perfect. Let me grab a couple of probes and we'll see some traces. Channel A, channel B, calibration signal. I can see something on both channels. Nice. Point one. No, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, let's get back to our project. Bye.